welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be fitting a hybrid racing short shifter and hybrid racing shift knob. Lovely job. And at the back, set them out. Oh, it's a chunky mother, that is. Ta-da! Saw the centre plastics out. And there is the shifter we'll be replacing. Apparently these things can be quite difficult to get out. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, you can see that obviously these are rubber mounted and the hybrid racing shifter is solid mounted. So hopefully that'll give a bit more accuracy. I don't think it a bit of movement. Yes. Ow! Bitch. Right, I'll try and video this. See that? That's the only way I can get it to move.
Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They're deceived with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go,
Oh my god, that's short. Wow.
change, you can flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst.
Right then, that's it kind of in. First, second, third, fourth, okay. Fifth just touches it. Sixth. Okay, reverse is the problem. It looks like that triangle bit has to be taken out, which is going to make this a bit flimsy, but it should be okay. I'm going to try and use these snips, see if I can get this off. Might make a bit of a mess. Nope. Oh, a bit more. So I went out and got a Dremel for no fucking reason this morning. Bit of a shame to cut up the plastics, I'm not gonna lie, but you know, not a major drama. If you wanted to do a neater job, you could use a Dremel and then use the little sanding things you get with them. I'm hoping you won't see this. Oh man, you gotta take off more than that though. That's okay with that, but I don't know if you put that in, but that's annoying. So then, the clearance for this, you have to trim that triangle off that I've just trimmed off that you saw. And then this piece here also has to have a piece trimmed out of it. Which I essentially think is this tab here. I think if I take all of that off, it should go in. And that's the cutout you have to make to create the clearance for reverse. This bit here, I'll just use a Dremel for that. Unfortunately, I didn't record it. So yeah, that's what you have to do. Okay guys, thanks for watching. That's the end of the video. Hopefully it's been useful or enjoyable, maybe both, don't know. Big shout out to the Cowabunga Car Diaries guys and to FN Mark, or is it Mark FN? Not sure. I'll put a thing up. For obviously previously doing videos on the hybrid racing shifter, gives you a good place to start from. Hopefully you found my video useful or informative. Thanks to Danny at Dyno Days for supplying the part. Obviously I paid for it, and of course, you know, I've only had the shifter for a short period of time. So far I really like it, yet to be tested on track, which is where I'm really interested to see how it performs. So I will let you know then if anyone's interested. I picked up a few new subscribers recently, so thanks to anybody that's watching my videos, leaving likes and commenting. I really appreciate it. I know I don't do particularly regular content, but I try and do something that's hopefully worthwhile watching, or maybe helps people out. But yeah, overall really pleased with the hybrid racing short shifter as of today, which is May 2022. They're retailing for between about £385 and £399. I'll let you decide whether that's value for money or not, or whether you think that's overpriced, or whether you think that's, you know, a fair price for the research and development that goes into an item such as this, because it's, you know, it is a high quality item. I'm really pleased with how it feels and how it looks. I'm less pleased about having to cut the plastics out, but I feel that, you know, a small price to pay for the kind of perceived performance that you get for the shift. Bearing in mind, this is kind of a daily car plus track car, so I have to keep some creature comforts, but I'm not kind of overly bothered about it looking, you know, super nice or anything. That said, thanks to all new subscribers, thanks to anyone that's commented on my videos. Please leave a like and subscribe if you want to. If you don't, then that's cool, that's fine. I'll be releasing more videos as and when I can make them. If you've got any comments or anything that you want to say about the shifter, then please drop them in the comments below. I'm more than happy to answer any questions where I can. Obviously I'm no expert, like everyone else. I'll just watch YouTube videos and have a go. So yeah, it's part of the fun of modifying your car, right? So cool, that's it. I'm going to wrap up. I'll keep waffling and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.